Hi, it's Danielle here with another weekly vlog. I saw these sunset lamps. They are all over TikTok. I do not know why, and I decided to get one. Have soft nails, this is something that you should try. I've been hearing about press-ons and all of that. This brand sent me press-ons to try. Give yourself a nail makeover by yourself, less than 10 minutes. Honestly, it was very quick and easy. I'm going to be withdrawing my NSS allowance, but this is me showing you all of what goes into NSS withdrawing the allowance. Now, this is the allowance for just the month of December. Allowance has been delayed for over 3 months, but I decided to make good use of it, so I invested in my business, got some rings for Danielle's findings. Sharing with you guys what I've been up to. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you stick and stay till the end. Let's do this. I'm going to be withdrawing my NSS allowance from UB, and I didn't link my pay to any of my bank accounts. It's just the eSwitch card. So I have with me my eSwitch card. The bank is close to my hood, so come along and then let's go. The last time I was here, I was withdrawing my October-November NSS allowance, and we are currently in March, and it's only December allowance that's in. NSS personal, we are really going through it. And can you imagine, this bank gave me a torn 1 cedi note. I had to return it. The audacity. Don't worry. Don't worry. More like sorry for yourself.
How much is it? Okay, I want that. It comes with meat and everything. How long will it take?
What's good, honey? So I got these press-ons from Alon's Press-ons on Instagram. I'm going to be tagging them in the description box below if you want to get yours. You guys know how much I do keep on fixing my nails, and I'm usually fixing acrylic nails, powder gel, gel powder. Anyways, So this time I wanted to give my nails a break, okay, because my nail bed is very soft. I don't know if you guys can see, and if you have soft nails, this is something that you should try. So I've been hearing about press-ons and all of that, and I decided to go get myself a set of press-ons. I actually put it in my stories, and this brand sent me press-ons to try, and this was a design that I asked for, and I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like in here. There's a nail file. It comes with the nail trimmer. It also came with a sticky tab, a guide. It also came with the nail glue. I'm all new to this press-on life, but then since I want to give my nails a break, this is something that I'm going to be trying much more often, because these are my nails right now. I have really short nails and very soft nails. So let's get straight into it. I'm excited.
So on the guide it says after filing your nail, you can then use the glue or the sticky tab. The glue if you want to wear your nails for a longer period of time, and the sticky tab if you do not want to wear your nails for a long period of time. And I decided to go with the sticky tab because I'm not going to be wearing these for long. I'll soon be getting acrylics, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Once I did one hand, it was easy for me to do the next hand, and voila, all done. Here it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think they look great. I love them, but we need to spice them up with some rings from Danielle's findings. So let's do that right away.
So guys, this is it. I love how they turned out. Okay, I'm actually impressed because all I did was send her a picture of my nails, my raw nails, as in how they look like, and she was able to do this, and they fit quite well on my nail bed. And guys, these are so pretty, so you could go check them out. I'm going to be linking them in the description box below if you are interested in getting a set for yourself. You get yourself these press-ons and then give yourself a nail makeover by yourself. I could have sat in the salon, the nail salon, and then waited hours for my turn to get my nails done. That is, if the place was packed, or probably book an appointment or something of the sort if they don't do walk-ins. But I've just done this in how many minutes? In like 10 minutes, like less than 10 minutes, honestly, and it was very quick and easy, guys. So I would totally recommend you getting press-ons. I saw these sunset lamps. They are all over TikTok. I do not know why, and I decided to get one, and I got it from Fine. I commented under her post when I saw that she had restocked some of these, and I was like, let me get it. I mean, what is the fuss about these sunset lamps? I want to know what they are. So this is how it came, and I'm so excited because everybody's making noise about these, how it comes in the box. So this is it, and I guess I get how it all works. So it sort of like puts the film in there, and then it gives you a different color. All right. Okay, so in here they have like the various filters that you can create using the clear transparent films. And so let's try it. I'm guessing you would feel the effect much more if the place is dark, that kind of thing. So it says here to unscrew the lamp head lid and remove the lens. And then load the color film I want.
So it came with a long stand, but I forgot to show that in the video. But you are supposed to put the long stand on the stable part, and then it's supposed to sit on the base. So it comes with the USB cord that you connect to the charger head or any adapter head. Then you plug it in and then push the button, and voila.
Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks when it's done in the one, and it's because this place is lit, that's why you can't. Let me put off my ring light.
So this is the result of two films combined, the yellow and then the red. There are other films of different colors, but what do you guys think of this?
I love it. I feel like you can even double as a background light.
This is so pretty. I'll be using it as a background light in my sit down videos. Did I mention that I use part of my NSS allowance to invest in a business? Yes, I got these rings, raisin rings. A couple of you had been asking me where I was getting my raisin rings, so I decided to stock up on them so that you can shop them just from me. So this is my mini setup for my product photography, and this is the result. The rings come in sets. You can also get them individually, one for 25 cedis, and if you get 3 or more, you get a 5% discount on your purchase. So kindly support your girl and get your raisin rings from me to spice up your accessories game. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Kindly like, subscribe, and comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.